All right. Well, thanks everybody for coming to the Alpha Hackathon in San Francisco. Uh, Today here at Frontier Tower, I wanted to thank our host, Thomas, who's over here, and Rob for coming out. Give him a little round of applause. And also wanted to give a shout out to Xander Gray, who couldn't be here, but was like a big part of helping us plan and put this together. He messed up his Achilles, and so, but he's hopefully watching and helping us in Zoom. So here's just a little bit of a run or show or plan of what we're going to do today. We've had our check-in. I'm going to talk a little bit about the event, like how today is going to go, and then how the next 2 months will go. We'll have a little break, and then at about 4 o'clock, Rob will run us through his training and how to actually use the platform, including how to use MCP and build bots in the UI. Then, starting at about 5 o'clock, we'll have an hour and a half or so of time for people to actually hack and get into the system and test it out for yourselves. Then we'll have another break, and then just a wrap up at 6:30 with if anybody has any final questions or things like that. We also have food and drink here. We have some snacks and drinks in the blue cooler, and hopefully once David gets here, we'll be getting some pizza as well. So this is the beginning of a 2-month hackathon. It's not like just a casual hackathon. What we're going to do is you can actually build bots and put them into the system. And the winner of the hackathon will be the person who actually produces the most return with their bot. And I'll show the prizes a little bit later. But it'll be based on how your bots actually do in paper trading or live trading if you actually want to run it in live trading. So this is our target audience of who we wanted to reach: people who are quants, machine learning engineers, traders, and software engineers. All right, so 5 markets, 1 proving ground. So for this hackathon, you can use any sort of equity class, not any, but these are the different equity classes that'll be available: options, futures, stocks, crypto, and crypto futures are available in terms of different things that you can trade in the BotSpot platform. And so in order to participate in the hackathon, you'll have to create a BotSpot account using the same email that you registered for the hackathon with. And Rob and the BotSpot platform, they're donating 2 months or giving away 2 months for everybody who registers. So he has the code and he'll show that a little bit later. But that's how we're going to track performance in the hackathon page. So yeah, people a lot of times have demos that don't actually survive with the market, but in this hackathon, there'll be live market exposure. It's a real strategy competition using paper, or if you're brave enough, live accounts. And you'll be able to get feedback and institutional level thinking. So here's a timeline for the whole hackathon. We officially opened early access last month. Today is our official kickoff of July 19th, which is an in-person hackathon. Then there'll be a 1-month build phase where you'll be able to use your BotSpot subscription to continue to refine your bot and iterate on it and optimize it. Then starting August 19th, that's when the trading window starts for the 1 month of actual competition. And then September 19th, we'll have the results by September 19th. And then that's when we'll have an awards event at that time. So this is the kickoff today, and where we'll build real systems that we can actually track their performance of. And did it go back? It's not. I think that was the last slide. But here is actually the BotSpot platform and the hackathon page where you'll go to enter the competition. There's no strategies registered yet, but once we get this will function as like a leaderboard for the different strategies that are registered. For first place, there's an award of $500 cash and a 1-year BotSpot Pro plan. For second place, the prize is $300 cash and a 1-year BotSpot Pro plan. And third place is $200 cash and a 1-year BotSpot Pro plan. So the top 3 finishers will all get 1 year of BotSpot Pro. And we also have the rest of the official rules here. You can have teams, but only one submission is allowed to participate. One participant, you must have one bot registered via one user account. So any questions so far? No? All right, so yeah, I think now you'll want to make sure you're registered on botspot.trade. And I guess, is there a certain workflow they should follow, Rob?
I'm going to cover that.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll talk about that.
Okay, yeah. So maybe wait to register until Rob gives you the workflow.
Yeah.
So awesome. So that's all I had for our kickoff and presentation.